this is me again, Christine, and for this video, we are going to make yeast bread. Can you guess what yeast bread are we going to make? Yes, it will be Ensaymada. It is one of the famous bread here in the Philippines. It is usually found in bakery chains and usually topped with butter and sugar. But for our recipe today, to make it more creamier because that's what you like, it will be topped with cream cheese and another cheese. Are you excited? Come on, let's do it!
In a mixing bowl, let's put 1 large of egg, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 1 cup of milk. Mix it thoroughly and then wait for it to boil. After that, we can already put our 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and then just fold it until all are incorporated. Let's put an oil to our kneading surface. Let's continue kneading the dough, and then you'll know it's done when you stretch it and it's not breaking apart. Prepare your large bowl and grease it with oil or butter. When putting the dough, don't forget to put also an oil to prevent it from sticking to the bowl. Cover it with cling wrap or clean cloth and then wait for it to proof for 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then after an hour, here is it. Time to get back to our kneading surface. Just form a circle to the center of it and cut it into small pieces. Prepare your molder by greasing it with butter, or you can also grease it with oil. Form your dough into ball and put it in your molder. Patience is a virtue, and yes, we need to wait again for another hour for it to proof. For our egg wash, we substitute it to powdered milk and water. And tada! Our dough is ready. Just brush our milk mixture. Set the oven to 180 Celsius and 15 minutes timer, and it's time for baking. After 15 minutes, our bread is ready. Cool it down and we're ready to put our cream cheese. We've got flavored cream cheese as well as unflavored cream cheese. And for our final touch, let's put our grated cheese. Wow, it's so creamy and cheesy. Let's taste it. Boy, it's so yummy. I hope you can also try this ensaymada, guys. But because of this pandemic we are facing, I advise you to make your own. It's the best, guys. It's so soft, tasty, creamy, and cheesy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.